Okay, right. So last class, what we discussed? Switch case, right? So I gave one task. Have you completed that? Chandani, Prabal, Sagar. Naima, I think you are new, I think so. No? Not completed? Okay, right. So I will explain that task also. Hi, Kamal.
Hi.
You attended for Java, right?
Yeah.
You want to attend for both?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Why? Because morning you came, right? That's why I asked. Okay.
Mhm.
Correct. No issues. Okay. So yesterday I gave one task, right? Mosam, have you done? No. I gave the current bill
No,
task. One task I gave.
yeah, but I haven't.
Okay,
Sorry.
right. No issues. I will do. Just check it once. Okay.
Okay.
Now, right. Now see. Enter. Let's rate initial I am giving 0. Save. Comma charts. So first one, residential. Commercial. Industry. Solar pipeline. Enter choice. Enter choice. Convert that to input of solar. Switch. Choice. Case one. Case one. So after enter the choice, I have to enter the unit source. Control that right line. Enter units, number of units.
Can you explain the first convert to line?
Okay. See, generally, if I want to give the different types of data types, right? Integer, float, double, okay, like that. Okay. For example,
It just converts to string to integer, or
yes. So what happens actually? Our input statement console dot read line. Our input statement is console dot to read line. Read line. So default it takes string data. Okay. Default it takes a string data. Therefore, what I have to do? Simply I have to convert which type of data I want. Okay. So whether it is integer or double or float, we have to convert it to that type of data. Got my point?
so why
Even
did
though
you
you
put the
entered,
int32?
yes, even though you are trying to enter integer value, it takes a string. Why? Because input statement is string. Input statement takes a string. Got my point, Kamal?
Oh, okay. So why did you put the int32?
See, I will tell you that. See, have you listened the data types topic?
Uh,
No.
did you
I will show
explain
you.
last week, or
1 minute. Data types. Where is the data type? So data types. Type of data to be is data, right? Observe clearly. In integer, how many types you have? 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, right? We can use
Yep.
3 types of integers. 2 bytes, 4 bytes, 8 bytes. In .NET, you can use the in C# .NET, you can use the 3 types of integers. Okay. So actually, these all are integers only. Short int, long int. Got my point? Okay. So
Yeah.
here we have different types of sizes here. 2 bytes, 4 bytes, 8 bytes. 2 bytes means 16-bit. 4 bytes means 32-bit. 8 bytes means 64-bit. If I use the integer, 32-bit. If I use long, 64-bit. You emit maximally, okay, use the integer only, but sometimes use the long also. Got my point? Yes.
So you basically mean like it it's just a conversion, yeah?
No. These are the sizes actually. 32-bit
No,
is
when the data is entered, it gets into the byte, and then it gets converted. When you put the convert, it gets into bits.
yes. If I use the integer here, okay, I use the integer, right? That's why it's a int
Yeah.
32. Got my point? Kamal, have you understand?
Yeah.
Now see.
Yeah, I got it.
let sorry, if units greater than 0, greater than 0, and the units less than or equal to 100. Now the rate is equal to 3 rupees. Else else if units greater than 100 and less than or equal to 200, the rate becomes 5. Else if greater than 200, the rate 7. Break. This one. Okay, now C bill is equal to rate into units, entered units. Controller right line. C bill plus C bill. Next to break. Now see controls. So please respond and please ask me the doubts if you have any. These are the very, very basics of .NET. Once you enter into the OOPS concept, you might be face the problems. And then once I entered into the Windows application, web application, and a model V controller, automatically you'll get more. You require the more stuff there. So if you understand these all easily, you can understand. Please respond me. Please ask me the questions if you have any. Okay, done. Now coming out of the switch. So coming out of the switch. After switch, control read keys to open the command prompt. Build solution. Okay. Case 2. Okay. Case 2. Yeah. Case 1, case 2. And we can add the default statement also. Yeah. After the break. Default. Control dot right line. Invalid choice. Other than 3, if I enter, invalid choice. Break. And now build solution. Okay, I'll start with the F11. I'll start with F11. So enter. Okay, see units rate initially 0 because see observe here only rate it is initialized. That's why it is okay checking what initialization, right? And the C bill I have to use still in the program, and choice I have to enter, units also I have to enter. Okay, right. The rate I fix it here because rate is okay. I am changing every time right now. F11. Okay.
So,
Enter choice. Yes, mother.
so would it be better if we use decimal instead of int? Because
Current bill, I think current bill we don't have in decimal, right? I think so. That's why it's integer. Decimal means you can use decimal, no issue. Okay. And choice anyway you have to enter in the number only, right? Correct or not?
oh yeah.
In the
Okay,
step,
so we
F11, I mean units also might be in the, I think so, in the number only, right? We don't have decimals in the units, I think so.
oh okay.
So that's why rate also automatic units and okay rate both almost rate also like 3 rupees, 4 rupees like that only, I think so. That's why I use the integer. If you want, you can use decimal, not a problem. Okay. So that's why yesterday I used the decimal only for the last program. Okay. That means double. Now enter the units, number of units. I have 15,000 of units in industrial. Now, okay, sorry, the wrong actually. I enter the choice is 15,000. The wrong. So, okay, units I entered. Okay, units. Enter choice is correct. Now see, this is in the range of okay. Second one, 1,000 and 10,000 and 20,000. So the first case is false. Directly jump to the second case. Okay. So that means second if else. So right, it prints the rate. And coming out of the if else, no need to go to the next if else. Directly go to the C bill. C bill is equal rate into units. It is printed. Now coming out of the switch. Okay. And print the okay value C bill. Understand? Yes. Understand.
So the last one, hello. So the last one you printed console read key, it just takes out of the loop.
Break. That's why I use the break, right?
Yeah.
For every statement, I use the break because of break will break the case.
Yeah, I know that, but
come
the
on.
last one,
In the switch case, we use the number of okay cases. Case is nothing but a condition. You got my point, okay?
yeah.
See, so which case you want to enter first? That is a choice actually here. After entering the choice, I have to break the choice coming out of the switch case. Main use of switch case is single selection in the multiple conditions. You got my point, Kamal?
Yeah. I was just wondering, just the console read key.
Yes, this is to open the command prompt. For example, if I don't have console read key, what will happen? Check it. See, I put the comments here.
Oh, okay,
Got my point? Just show you anyway. Okay.
Okay.
So if I put the comments, the output will not come. Command
okay.
prompt will opens, the output will not come. Observe here. Start. I entered the choice to. I entered the unit 1300. Now the bill is printed, but it's not
Yeah,
showing.
it's
It's not showing. So to read the
okay.
command prompt, we use the console read key.
Okay.
Got my point?
Okay. Yeah.
So you understand everyone? Yes.
Mhm.
Yes. Chandani, Simran, Sagar, Soni,
Yes.
Yes.
okay. Prabal, Prajwal, okay. At Nima, I think Nima, you are new student, I think so, right? I think you didn't see the first time I saw. Yes. Okay. Please respond. If
Yes.
you don't want to respond, just please message me. I don't have any problem. Why? Because I have to know if you are understanding or not. Okay. Okay. This is about a switch case. Yesterday also I discussed one program. Today also I discussed one program. What is the difference with yesterday's and today's actually? Today completely I'm doing inside the switch only. Yesterday just I pick the rate from the switch case. Okay. And print the bill, right? I'll show you that program also. I think somebody is not attended yesterday class. I'll show you that also. So, documents, studio, projects, switch case. Same program. Open project. Switch case applicant. Okay, observe here. In the yesterday's program, so what I did, just pick the rate from the switch choice actually. Here it's just like a hotel program. So I prepare a menu. Okay, I enter the choice from the choice. What you pick here from the switch? Just I pick the rate. So that uses in the okay program. But observe here, I am getting the rate. Okay, I printed the rate. Okay, so I'm coming out of the switch case. Then I am doing the operations. Today's everything I do inside the switch only because of I use the if else also there. Now enter the choice 3. So rate is fixed. Now I have to enter the count. The bill is generated, Swachh Bharat X, central GST, state GST, and total bill. Okay. This is how we are using the switch keys. Understand? Yes, understand everyone. Okay. I think you understand, right? Now, next I'll go for the loops. Next we'll go for the loops. So flow statements, conditional, conditional statements are over. Because here we discuss the if condition and switch case both, right? If condition and switch case both we discussed, right? Now I'll go for the loops. The flow statements, second one is loop. Loop is an iteration. An iteration. That's why you can call it iterative statements also. Loop is an iteration. It will execute until unless condition satisfied. Now see, loop requires Initialization condition increment or decrement. Loop is an iteration, it will execute until unless a condition is satisfied. Loop required initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Now, types of loops. While loop, do while loop, for loop. While loop, do while loop, and for loop. First, we'll see the while loop. While is looking like condition, but act as loop. Observe the syntax you can understand. Initialization, while condition, statement, increment or decrement. So this is the syntax for the while loop. Okay? Syntax for the while loop. Now we'll check it. How to write a while loop. How to, okay, loop is repeating. We'll check it. And I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. Now, while I less than or equal to 10, console dot write line. Okay. I want to print my name, okay, 10 times, almost 11 times here, up to 10. Now I am writing a statement. My name is correct. So it will print 11 times. But I am not incrementing. So that what will happen? It becomes an infinite loop. It becomes a infinite loop. Just check it once. Go through build solution. Okay, build solution succeeded. Build succeeded. Now I am debugging. Start debug. It is repeating. So it is repeating infinite number of times. It is an infinite loop. It is a infinite loop. Then what I have to do here? What I have to do? Observe here. I have to increment the loop. See, I have to increment the I value here. I initially 0, 0 less than or equal 10. Every time it is true. Now what I have to do? I plus plus I have to. So I initially 0, 0 plus plus 1, 1 less than or equal 10, 2 less than, 3 less than, 4 less than, until unless 11 less than or equal 10, it will be, okay, repeat. When touches the 11, 11 less than or equal 10, the condition is false. Then it go for the, okay, so then it will be, loop will be terminated, coming out of the while loop. Now observe, I will use the F11. Int I is equal to 0, while I less than or equal to 10. Okay, console dot write line I plus plus. Okay, see first loop, second loop now. So after checking the loop, just you can check it. What is the I value? So here I value 1. First one is 0, now 1. See, now it will be executing until unless condition is satisfied. Loop is repeating. Now check it here. I is 10. I give the 10 I. 10 less than or equal to 10 also true. Right, print. Now it's go to the 11. Now see, I11. I11. 11 less than or equal to 10 fast coming out of the loop. Okay. Right. So it is printed 11 times. 0 to 10 means 11 times. And it loop terminated. Understand everyone how the loop is executing? Yes. Yes. Understand? Okay, right. This is about if I want to give the numbering also, just to give plus I. The print I value beside the my name is Suresh. The plus means concatenation here. Concatenation, okay? Concatenation. That means combining. Now observe, okay? 0 to 10. This is about the while loop. Okay. Now I'll give one task for you people. Everybody try to do. If not, I will explain. Okay. What is my program? Print multiplication table, print multiplication table using while loop. Print multiplication table using a while loop. How it is? For example, if I enter the two table, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Like that. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Like that up to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So I have to print how I am writing here, same. Can you try? Can you try this? Yes, I'll give the 5 minutes of time. Chandani, Simran. Yes. So, and also one more point, session is closing by 1 minute. Session is closing by 1 minute. Please join again. Please join again. Session is closing by 1 minute. Okay, please join again. Right? So, and try for this program also. If not, I will explain. No problem. Okay. See, if you try to do this, you can understand how to write the programming. Okay. At least you have to think about the logic. You may not, okay, you may do, may not do, but you have to think about the logic. Right? Try once and also please join again.